Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste stuff from or to the computer's clipboard. So let's get started. First of all, please note that this is an C++ tutorial, which is the only way of doing this. If you want to save some time or don't want to use C++ at all, you can purchase my plugin, which is linked in the description. I will show it to you real fast. It costs $4.99 and it's available in the Unreal Engine Marketplace, but you don't need to buy this, you can also just follow this tutorial. So let's get started. Like I already showed in my last video, we will need a C++ project. We also choose the blank template and then we can basically hit create. I will give it a name really fast. I will call it copy tutorial and I will hit create. Okay, so the project started and we can start now. So first of all, I will create a new plugin. I will choose the blueprint library and I will call it Clipboard add-on, for example. And I will click on create plugin. Okay, so the plugin was created successfully and we can start programming now. Visual Studio should have opened. You can hit reload all. And after that, we can locate to our plugin, which is located under games, your project name, under plugins, clipboard add-on, and under source. And here we can actually open this. And here we can actually open the clipboard add-on blueprint library.cpp and the .h file. We can delete some stuff, we can delete this stuff, we can actually delete this stuff, we can delete the EU class and one underscore, we can delete this whole stuff and we will start over now. So first of all, you will need a function. I will just copy and paste a pre-made U function header. You can, however, if you don't know how this stuff works, watch my first two videos about U functions, important U function specifiers, and so on. So if you haven't watched those, please go watch it if you don't know how this stuff works. If you're watching this video in the future, chances are high that I actually updated my clipboard extension plugin. You are now able to actually copy or paste an image to the clipboard. So if you are in need of that, you can still click on the link and see if I already updated this. But don't take this for granted. I'm not sure if I will do this as I have more important stuff to do, but maybe I will. Just stay tuned. Okay, so I have a simple header. We can now also add a static void and we will call it copy text. Then we want an input of a f string and we call this text. And this is done. Now we can copy this part, go over to here, paste this part to this. Then we actually have a void and we need this. So let's type in void, this double, and like that. And this should work perfectly. Now we actually need to copy stuff to this clipboard. So how we can do this? There's a nice little function we can use, which is called clipboard copy. So we have the f platform misc, and here we have the clipboard copy function, and then we can put our text in here, and this works. So let's compile this. Close this, compile. As you can see, this compiled perfectly fine. If we now restart this project, you will see the changes. But before that, we will actually create another node for pasting what's inside the clipboard to a string. So let's just copy this to here. Maybe paste text from clipboard and call it paste text. We also don't want the f string here. We want this to be here. Let's copy this part to here, copy this part to here, and do this. And now we can get our pasted text and return it. For that, we actually need an f string. I will call this local string. And then we can actually again call f platform misc, and we will call the function clipboard paste. And in here we will put the local string and we will return the local string. And now if we compile this, and this also successfully compiled, so now I will restart the project. Okay, the project is restarted, and now we can go to our level blueprint, for example, but you can do this in really any blueprint. So let's go into here and search for copy clipboard, or how did we call it? First we had copy text to clipboard and paste text from clipboard. So, or we can search for clipboard add-on. As you can see, this didn't work quite well. This is because we compiled with the live coding. If you disable this and then compile again, we can actually see that this compiles well as well. And then we can restart the project, and the project is restarted. And now we can actually go to our level blueprint again, search for our clipboard add-on, and here you can see we have actually our clipboard stuff. Now on begin play, I will copy text to clipboard, for example, something random. I will run this code. And now if I stop it again and paste something, we actually have this copy to the clipboard. If we now type banana into here, copy this with Control-C, and go into here and paste the text from the clipboard, you can actually see that this is the banana that gets printed. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned.